This is the way you used to build your data center. Vertically, you'd have a project. You'd buy software and hardware and networking to satisfy the needs of that given project. You'd have another project and do the same thing over and over and over again, which led to over-provisioning, very costly infrastructure, poorly utilized infrastructure, infrastructure that could not be shared from one application to another. It was effective, provided you secured in isolation from one infrastructure to the other, but again, it was very, very costly. Now with the shrinking budgets, you need a new paradigm. And the new paradigm is now provided by virtualization and allows you to now build a single shared pool of infrastructure that you build out horizontally, and allows you to deliver those applications now as a service, as opposed to the way you delivered it in the past, which was service-like, but you had to build a silo to deliver that application. So now you build out your infrastructure in a horizontal fashion, and you can add and delete components to the infrastructure without impacting the applications as they run. Could not do that in the past. So the technologies that are here today and been proven in the marketplace now allow you to achieve that type of implementation. Now you've virtualized all your applications. What are the real requirements for that single pool of infrastructure? Got to be able to scale up and down really, really quickly. Got to be able to continue to provide that service level for those applications to your users. And you've got to make sure that as these applications move around, which allow you to do non-disruptive upgrades, allow you to do upgrades to your technology while those applications are running, you've got to make sure that the policies and security controls and all of those controls and policies you've set for those applications move around with those applications. So those are the challenges that you face as you have consolidated everything into the shared pool of infrastructure and try to guarantee those service levels. IT as a service. Again, it's built upon the shared infrastructure. But you also need some additional capability as well. Metering and chargeback. You've got to understand who are the users of this infrastructure, what are the resources that they're using, such that you can, if you want, be able to charge back to that particular government organization, to that particular group within your own organization. So metering and chargeback is a key requirement. Being able to automate a lot of the policies that govern the movement of applications from one machine to another. You want to be able to implement self-service such that an organization can create their own virtual machines and create their own services and create their own service catalog should they need to.